Hey everybody. If you're anything like me, pool maintenance isn't exactly your favorite activity. But what if I told you there's a way to keep your pool spotless without ever lifting a finger? Today we're diving into one of the coolest innovations I've come across for pool owners. The aipher Surfer S2 robotic solar pool skimmer. First things first, this thing looks sleek. It kind of reminds me of a futuristic surfboard. And that's fitting because it actually floats and skims across your pool surface like one. Straight out of the box, you can tell it's well built, and the setup is incredibly simple. It's solar powered. No plugs, no running cords, no extra charging hassle, just sunlight. It is equipped with a dual charging mode, meaning it can also be charged by plugging it in. So even on cloudy days, you're covered. Performance-wise, the Surfer S2 delivers. It quietly and steadily glides across the pool surface, collecting everything from leaves to bugs and pollen and small debris. The 24/7 operation means it's always working in the background, keeping your water pristine. One great feature is the smart obstacle avoidance technology. This isn't just a floating Roomba. It can actually detect walls, ladders, and other pool obstacles, adjusting its path accordingly. Another feature that impressed me was the app control. Using the aipher app, you can schedule cleanings, check battery levels, and even manually steer the unit if you feel like taking control. Cleanup is also super simple. The debris basket pops out easily and rinses clean in seconds. No complicated filters or messy disassembly. I usually empty it once a day, and it's shocking how much it picks up. So is it worth it? For me, absolutely. The aipher S2 Surfer saves time, energy, and stress. Plus, it's environmentally friendly with its solar power setup. So if you've got a pool and you're looking for a hands-off cleaning solution, this one's a no-brainer. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on product reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update.